to my channel. My name is London Dwandwe and I am a model and creative. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please do subscribe and share if you find this video informative in any way. If you're returning, thank you so much for sticking around and I really appreciate it. So today we are asking what is casting and what to expect. So basically casting is the process where you basically audition and get chosen for modeling jobs. Firstly, you'll receive a casting brief from your agency or via a freelancer's agency or through Instagram or an ad or an open call. Whatever they do, you will receive a casting brief that will say what role you can cast for and what type of work they are casting for. It will tell you the requirements such as age, personality type, hair type, and skin type, all that stuff. It will also have time in place for the casting. And if there's a script, they will then attach it. We'll have perfect dates on the casting brief and when wardrobe will be and when the actual shoots will be. Make sure that you are available for the load. Depending on which role you're casting for, you'll want to dress in a certain way that fits the brief and the role. Roles that just, for example, are looking for a black girl, I think it's wise to wear fitting and flattering clothes to the tank top and a pair of blue black jeans. And this may apply to the roles of black jeans as well. For hair role, you want to have your hair out for the casting director to see how healthy your hair is. Things like that. Just pay attention. My tip is to always do your makeup though. Just do it appropriately for the role you are casting for. They will take headshots and have bright lights, so you want your face to look good in those lights. So you can have the no makeup look, trying to show how flawless your skin is, boosting your eyes and lips and things like that. If the role is, for example, for a makeup person, you will obviously do your makeup showcasing the skin of makeup you have and can have a full-on face, right? If they're looking for a goth, go full-on goth, but basically go according to hygiene wise. You want to make sure you look good and fresh. If you have short hair, try and get a haircut. If you've got braids, try and freshen them up a bit and have your hair as neat as possible. Brush your teeth because they will have pictures that they will ask you to smile in one of the pictures, and you want to just make sure that you look good there. Cut your nails because there are casting directors that take pictures of your hands as well and ask to see your hands. Shave your armpits if you'll be wearing something that will be showing your armpits. You don't want to. What to bring is stuff to help you freshen up maybe your makeup. You can bring perfume and roll on just in case it gets hot and you start getting sweaty. Something to apply on your lips, whether it's Vaseline or lip gloss, but just don't have any dry lips. You get it? A book, because some castings do run long and you want to take your mind off the casting and bring your nerves down. You can also download a series or movie. For this, it depends on who you are and what you like, but just keep yourself entertained for the duration of the wait. You can also chat up models waiting too, but just don't overdo it because you want to feel fresh and ready for when your turn to cast comes. A snack, so you can eat something if you do get hungry while waiting. Casting hungry is not fun. Bring water and just stay hydrated. If they give you a script, read and learn the lines. But also remember to just give an actual performance. If you forget them in the casting room, improvise and just give a performance. When you are close to casting, they will actually call you in and brief you on what they expect you, what you don't understand or what you don't know, so you are better prepared. When your turn to cast comes up, they will ask for your side profiles, where you basically look left, look right, look forward. They'll ask you for your information such as your name, age and modeling agency. They may also ask to see your hands at this time. Then do headshots, one with a smile and one without. It varies on how they ask. You understand. But I just think it's helpful to just practice this in general and know maybe your good angles for subtle posing. Just know what looks good on a headshot. Then you'll just have to start doing. You will then have to perform. Try and do the best you can. If you feel like you've messed up, just keep going. Don't even think about it. Messing up, I think, is expected, but just continue to give a performance. Not all casting directors will give you a second chance to start off fresh, but always be polite and friendly. And I think this just goes without saying. I feel like it's impressive when you deal with someone that's just pleasant to be around and you want to be that person. After casting, keep the same hair and aesthetic until at least the dates of shooting have passed and you are 100% sure you did not get the role. You want to look exactly the same. If you get called for callbacks and asked to give an additional performance, to come to the audition in an afro, for example, and then come to the callback with a weave or braids, or worse, your hair cut off. After you've gotten the role, you then be told what to do with your hair, what will be done with your hair and wardrobe and stuff like that, and it's no longer in your hands. That's fine, but until then, just stay exactly the same. Anyway, this is all I have for today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope this video helped you and showed you that you can actually be a really good model in SA. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me across all linked social media platforms, and we can then interact there more. Also, do leave your tips and pointers in the comments below, as they would help someone else. Peace.